Patricia B. Santana, may pinakamataas na karangalan. Silver medalist, International Science Olympiad Competition of Southeast Asia, National Round 2024. First place, Linggo ng Kabataan, Local Youth Development Office, Quezon Bay. First place, Linggo ng Kabataan, Local Youth Development Office, Spelling Bee. Gold medalist, Global English Language Olympiad of Southeast Asia, National Round 2024. International Qualifier, Global English Language Olympiad of Southeast Asia, Incheon, South Korea. Second place, District Science and Technology Fair 2024, Science West Bay. Second place, Division Science and Technology Fair 2024, Science West Bay. Fourth place, Division Science and Technology Fair 2024, Tuklas, Math and Computational Science category. Merit awarding, Hong Kong International Science Olympiad. Silver medalist, International Science Olympiad Competition of Southeast Asia, International Round 2024. Silver medalist, 4th International Vedic Mathematics Olympiad. First place, Division Gawad Pagabay, Best Youth for the Environment in Schools Organization Implementer. Silver medalist, Asia Rome Science Olympiad, National Round 2024. Qualifier, Asia Rome Science Olympiad, International Round 2025, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Bronze medalist, Asia Rome Mathematics Olympiad, National Round 2025. Fourth place, Philippine Institute of Chemical Engineers, Bataan Chapter, Science Ball Junior Division. Top scorer, Philippine Institute of Chemical Engineer, Bataan Chapter, Science Ball Junior Division. Best in Science, Best in Mathematics, Best in Araling Panlipunan.